What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be talking Visual Studio Code extensions. Actually, we're going to be talking Visual Studio Code extensions that I have installed as a lightweight user. So by the end of this video you'll know everything that I have installed, including the theme that everybody asks me about in the comments and everything that I'm using. Now if you have recommendations for other extensions that need to be fairly lightweight so that I don't feel like they're obstructing from what I'm doing, please drop me a comment below with things that you're using, as I'd love to check them out. All right, let's get looking at my Visual Studio Code. We got a bit of side camera today, just to change a few things up so you can see me talk while we're discussing what I have installed. And as you can see over on this side, I have a total of 6 extensions installed on my machine, and that's on every machine that I use. So for YouTube recording, I actually use the Code Stacker theme, which is one of my favorite themes. It's really basic, but it really gives you a nice look. And this was obviously part of the Become a VS Code Superhero by Code Stacker, and you can check it out. It's called the Code Stacker theme. It's pretty colorful, really vibrant, and it's really easy for me to be able to show things on screen to you guys when I'm making videos. So if you're looking for something a little different, check it out. I know I get asked all the time in the comments, what am I using for a theme? Now you know, Code Stacker theme. Next up, I have ESLint, and I use ESLint just to make everything easy and everything stay the same. I like to just use the basic ESLint, and I've been using it for years and years, and it just allows me to essentially not have to worry about not doing the right thing, which is important when I'm making tutorials, so I always have ESLint. Then we have Prettier, and the only reason I use this, it's very opinionated. Some people love it, some people don't, but I use Prettier because I believe that my video tutorials should always be the same format, and Prettier makes it easy for me to just format all the code and know that you're always going to get the same standard from me. And I really like the way that Prettier handles certain things, and it always looks really well formatted, easy to follow, and it makes it easy for you. Then I have Profile Switcher, which is a bit strange because now you can technically sync through VS Code, but I use Profile Switcher because when I'm recording YouTube videos, everything is 2 or 3 times bigger than normal. So when I'm not recording a video on YouTube, I am switching profiles and using a different one, which has the font size a bit smaller, the zoom is off, and I also turn on some features of VS Code, which are turned off when I'm recording videos, so that you guys can not get distracted as much by everything that VS Code tries to do. Then I have VS Code-icons. You know, I've had this installed for a while. It just, makes some of the icons look easy to read, and it's easy for me to be able to identify certain folders when I'm making tutorials as we go along. And so I've just been using that for a long time, and I think it's one of the nice features that Visual Studio Code has, and it's nice to be able to have nice pretty features. And finally, I have GitHub Copilot installed. I don't think it's as good as everyone's claiming it to be, but I've been using that for a few weeks, and I've been using it outside of creating videos just to boilerplate some code that I really don't want to write over and over again, and I can never remember the exact syntax. But honestly, it's not as good as everyone's made it out to be, especially for Next.js. It doesn't seem to be quite as powerful, but it still does the job, and I'm still enjoying using it. So that's all I have installed. I'm a really lightweight user when it comes to Visual Studio Code, so I'm only using 6 extensions, and I really want to check out more, but I just don't know what. So leave a comment below, tell me what extensions you're using that you can't live without, or that you'd like to see me use in videos to make life easier for you to follow. And until next time, see ya.